Hi, my name's Jennifer Shea Hedberg, and I'm the Ice Wrangler. I'm an ice luminary artist, and I've written a book called Ice Luminary Magic, so you can learn how to make beautiful, textured, colorful ice luminaries of all shapes and sizes. So you can set the stage for your guests, bring the magic of ice luminaries indoors, make a special event even more memorable, or just for everyday sparkle. I think there's something very inherently basic about ice and fire. And so it's been amazing to me. There are as many people as there are who have never seen an ice lantern before. People seem fascinated by ice luminaries and my ice luminary sculptures. While doing installations, people will often walk up to me and ask, how do you make these? So with my husband by my side, we started a company called Wintercraft and developed the Globe Ice Lantern kits. It's been so fun listening to all the positive reaction to those kits, but there's really a lot more to share about working with ice, and I decided the best way to do that was to write a book. You can pretty much create ice lanterns almost out of anything. You just need to know basic ice logic, how it works and why it works. The way water freezes, the way ice develops, the way that it wraps itself around things or gets absorbed in things. There's a lot to making ice that people don't realize, especially making ice that you're anticipating filling with light. I'm really excited about sharing my knowledge about both the art and the science of ice, and that's what this book is. Ice Luminary Magic is a 224-page full-color guide to working with ice. It includes step-by-step instructions to more than 24 ice projects. Writing it has been a true labor of love for me, my gift to the community. So I hope you'll pick up a copy of my book, Ice Luminary Magic, and start experimenting with all the icy projects. I think you'll find that it's really quite amazing that beautiful crystallized magic can be created simply by playing with ice and light. Thank you so much. Signing off for now, the Ice Wrangler.